Hello, we're coming to you from the Perth Amboy Firehouse, located at 375 New Brunswick Ave, with an invitation to all the families around Perth Amboy. On Friday, October 11th, from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, we're hosting our annual fire prevention open house at the firehouse, where you can bring your kids, your family, to meet our firefighters, see our fire equipment, and learn some fire safety educational stuff. So once again, Friday, October 11th, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, come to our firehouse for our annual open house.
Hola, octubre 11 vamos a tener una casa abierta aquí en la Casa de los Bomberos. Vengan con nosotros para hablar de protección de incendio. Vamos a tener clases para aprender el CPR. Vamos también a tener Sparky para los nenes y 2 casas de bouncy house para los nenes también. Puedes venir aquí a ver el equipaje, a buscar la información y pasar la noche con los bomberos.
The second thing that you're invited to is on Thursday, October 17th, from 2:30 to 6:30, we'll be hosting a blood drive here at Fire Headquarters as well. So everybody in the community, if you meet the criteria and the requirements, you can be a lifesaver as well. Donate some blood and save a life.
También, octubre 17, tenemos un evento para donar sangre. Si puede, venga con nosotros octubre 17 para dar sangre para atrás, para la comunidad, para la gente que lo necesita. Muchas gracias.